Dr. Dubois, Rabbi Cohen, thank you for joining us. Our coordination here is paramount. We must approach this excavation with the... The curves are precise. Yeah. Perfect alignment on the doors. Yeah. The spine fits beautifully. Yeah. It's taking shape. I think I found something. Carefully, Antoine. Yeah. It's a capsule. Old. What is it? May this symbol of endurance and artistry stand as a testament to courage and hope. We honor the legacy, the sacrifice, and the craftsmen. Amen.
Ma chère Sarah, si tu lis ceci, alors je suis partie, et la vérité doit être dite. Ramène-la à la maison. Grand-père Maurice.
I have it, Doctor. The diary confirms the coordinates for the Atlantic. It is real. Incredible. Sarah, this is monumental. Do not let anyone near it.
It's really here. Thank you, Grandfather, for preserving hope when it mattered most. Tomorrow, it finally emerges.
Vorsicht, zerbrechlich. Stellen Sie es dort ab.
Bien reçu. Et le reste du matériel?
Das kommt in den zweiten Transporter.
Dr. Dubois, Rabbi Cohen, thank you for joining us. Our coordination here is paramount. We must approach this excavation with the...
The radar confirms the dimensions exactly. 4 meters. And the wrapping is visible here. Maurice was absolutely correct.
Incredible. We found the Bugatti.
C'est elle, la Bugatti Atlantic. Elle est intacte.
It can't be.
The Atlantic. Is the primary scanner online yet?
Calibration sequence initiated. We should have preliminary readings in 3 minutes. Check the environmental controls. Humidity is spiking slightly near the firewall.
Erstaunlich. Die Handwerkskunst hat die Zeit überdauert. Die Konservierung war ein voller Erfolg.
The original suspension components are intact.
Yeah. Yes, and these hand-forged rails are surprisingly well preserved. Impressive durability.
Structurally sound, engine rebuildable, original components largely intact. We can do it. Yes.
Oh, thank God.
We can do it.
Yes, fully authorized. Do whatever it takes. Grandfather would be proud.
The data looks stable. Carefully, character C, it's delicate. We need to verify these readings against the original specs.
I feel my grandfather's hands in this metal. Each curve holds a history.
The data is confirming what...
The bearing race has completely seized. Thermal expansion is required before we attempt removal.
Questo campione del 37 rivela tecniche incredibili.
Sì, la grana è unica.
Vedete qui la cucitura originale.
Impressionante.
The engine assembly looks accurate, Antoine.
Oui, and the structural integrity here on the scan confirms it.
But the fuel line is different. See the note in German.
I think I found something. Carefully, Antoine. It's a capsule. Old. What is it?
the Atlantic. You called it mechanical poetry, a symbol of survival and hope.
It is. We will restore not only metal and leather, but memory and meaning. This is a mission of honor.
Slow.
The curves are perfect, Antoine.
Indeed. The original mastery is unparalleled.
And the restoration holds true to the...
The curves are precise.
Yeah.
Perfect alignment on the doors.
Yeah.
The spine fits beautifully.
Yeah.
It's taking shape.
The curvature is perfect.
Yes.
We have achieved concourse perfection.
Keep it level, Antoine. Just a fraction left. Perfect. That's it, it's whole again. The cylinder head requires absolute zero tolerance in the manifold. I have the torque setting ready. Perfect. We restore this legend.
The bore wear is minimal, consistent with high-quality original tolerances.
80 years later, still holding strong. Excellent. Keep it steady. Perfect. Another half turn. There. Head is ready. Lower it carefully. Aligning pins are clear. Setting it down. All systems nominal. We're ready. Proceed, Wilhelm.
It's alive. Yes, she runs. We did it!
The engine block is ready for insertion.
Double check the alignment.
Engaging the lifts.
Langsam, Wilhelm, langsam. Justieren Sie es jetzt. Ein bisschen nach links. Gut, es passt. Cooling lines connected. Fuel systems checked. Electrical, ready. Gauges online. Confirmation?
Magnifique. C'est parfait.
Brake pressure 120 bar.
Checks out.
Suspension articulation within tolerance.
Confirmed.
Electrical system grounded, ready.
Exceptional, Dr. Mueller.
She is ready. It's alive.
Oh my God! We did it!
80 years of silence, broken.
Incredible. After all this time, we did it. We're moving!
After 80 years, you're finally home. It's like driving a time machine.
I feel it. He's here. I'm home.
May this symbol of endurance and artistry stand as a testament to courage and hope. We honor the legacy, the sacrifice, and the craftsmen. Amen.
With this donation, we ensure its story educates generations.
The Atlantic became a permanent centerpiece.
If you are reading this, mon cœur, then hope has triumphed over hatred, love over loss, and beauty over destruction.
This is the Atlantic, a car your great-grandfather saved. Look at the craftsmanship.
So beautiful. Did he drive fast in it?
The Atlantic's resurrection embodies hope.
Traditional craftsmanship preserved this automotive art.
Now observe the technique to create a seamless curve using the traditional method.
That's fascinating.
I understand now.
Precisely. It's about preserving the craft. Congratulations, team, for your outstanding work. Thank you. We are so proud.
Did it! This is unbelievable.